Sweet and sour shrimp, or 古老虾, is a very well-known Cantonese dish. It was originally made with pork, but nowadays you can make it with any protein. Hello my foodies, this is V again, CiCi. My husband has been discovering his inner chef lately, so he's been cooking us lots of delicious meals. And one of the most impressive dishes so far, I have to say, is this 古老 shrimp, or sweet and sour shrimp. Let's take a look. I have here 1 pound of shrimp. I took out the vein and peeled. I'm going to butterfly them. Just make degrees Celsius. You can test the oil with a pair of chopsticks. When you put the chopsticks in the oil and immediately you see lots of bubbles, that means your oil is ready. Now we're going to transfer in the shrimp and deep fry for 2 minutes until golden brown. So here I have a safety tip for everyone when you're deep frying anything. First of all, make sure that your food or your chopsticks utensil doesn't have any water on it. And then when you put the food in, you want to be as close to the oil as possible, so then the oil won't end up splashing everywhere and you end up hurting yourself. As you can see now, they're turned pink and also have this beautiful golden color. I'm gonna take them out and drain on a paper towel. To stir fry the vegetables over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, pineapple, and garlic. Stir fry until the aroma comes out for about 30 seconds. Take out everything. Alright, so now in the same pan, over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in the sauce. Cook it for about a minute or so. Then we're gonna add in the cornstarch slurry and stir it until everything is thickened. Transfer back the shrimp and vegetables and quickly mix everything together. Alright, dig in. Oh, which one should I pick? Let's pick this big one. Alright. Wow. This is so good. Do I have to say any more? Just from my facial expression, I am so happy right now. The shrimp is crispy on the outside. It's super bouncy and tender on the inside from the marinade. Oh, it's just amazing. And I love the sweet and sour sauce. Alright guys, so comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next episode. Oh, also let me know, what is your favorite sweet and sour dish? Alright, that's it for today. Bye now!